Today I'm going to show you how to make a succulent wreath. This not only makes a beautiful and versatile alternative to a traditional Christmas wreath, but also a fabulous centerpiece for your Christmas table. Succulents are such an amazing, durable and diverse set of plants. They're almost jewel-like in quality. And if you think this wreath looks beyond your floristry capabilities, please don't worry, it's surprisingly easy to make. To craft your own wreath, you will need some carpet moss, reindeer moss, and a selection of approximately 12 mini succulent plants with a 5 cm or 2-inch pot size each. The hardest part of this project is choosing the plants. The possibilities are endless, but check out echeverias, sempervivums, aeoniums and carastulas. Always pay attention to your favourite shapes, colours and textures. Begin with a florist's wire wreath frame, florist's mossing pins, florist's wire and some compost. You will also need some wire cutters, a tray for soaking and a mister spray. To start off, soak the carpet moss in a tray of water for about 15 minutes, which will make it easier to work with. Once the carpet moss has been soaked, line the wire wreath frame with it, making sure that the bottom and sides are fully covered and that you have enough moss left over to fold over the root balls of the plants. Now you can remove the plants from their pots and loosen their roots. Fold back the moss, place each plant within the wreath, allowing plenty of room for them to grow, and fill in the gaps between the plants with compost. Once all succulents are in their desired spot, you can fold the moss back over and around the bases of the plants and the compost. This is where mossing pins come in really handy to secure the moss firmly around the bases of the plants. Push the pins in all the way into the soil so the moss holds tightly in place. For extra security, you can wrap florist's wire around your wreath to stop the moss unraveling. Finally, I'd suggest covering any exposed bits of soil or wire with pieces of reindeer moss by firmly pinning it into place. To keep your succulent wreath looking fresh for a long time, I suggest soaking it in water for about 15 minutes once a week with some gentle misting here and there whenever you feel it getting dry. One last tip, and this is very important if you don't want it to fall apart, make sure that your wreath lays flat for at least 1 month, preferably 2, whilst the roots settle in. And if you keep it out of any direct hot sunlight, it's going to bring interest to your home long after the festive season.